Hey everyone, Lauren Jones here, your business law and estate planning attorney coming to you from California. So I want to talk about your end of year business checklist. Checklist. Some of the things you want to think about at the end of the year. There's just no way going to be a comprehensive list of everything you should do, and maybe not everything fits your business, but it's just some general ideas to think about as the year ends and the new year is beginning, because it is what you need to think about. It could happen at any time of year for you also. So it doesn't have to be end of year, beginning of year. It could literally be fiscal end of year, beginning of year. That's kind of, which can happen anytime, depending on when your fiscal year ends and starts. So just something to keep in mind. So one of the things you want to do about closing out the business for the year is get your finances in order. And that can mean sending out final invoices. If you're owed money, getting collection letters out, reviewing the financial books, getting things organized, getting things ready for your CPA. They'll love you for it. So just help them out. And then if there's any taxes due, consider paying those. Then you want to think about getting your paperwork in order. Are you a corporation or an LLC? Do you have corporate compliance work that you haven't done? Are you needing to update some minutes, maybe? Some resolutions that haven't happened? Did you file your annual statement information? If you haven't and you're a corporation, you should be doing that. If you're an LLC, it's every 2 years. What about if you have inventory, taking stock of any inventory on hand? That's really important, making sure that you know what you have going into the next fiscal or calendar year, right? And then employees, getting those employees in order, conducting those annual reviews, making sure if you're going to give raises that you do the annual review so you can give the raise, right? Making sure that you know if you're going to give any annual raises, any benefits, any bonuses. Bonuses is a big thing that happens towards the end of any fiscal year. Did the company make enough to bonus out any money to your employees? So that's kind of, think about wrapping those things up, because businesses doesn't stop at the end of the year. It doesn't stop at the holidays. You are a business owner that is working your butt off all year long, but you definitely have times when things kind of need to close out for financial purposes to start anew. And so you want to make sure that you kind of take care of all those things. And then when you're going into your next year, you're going to start planning, right? Review and update that business plan, making sure that you know what you're going to do for the next year. How do you want to grow your business? How many new clients do you want to bring in? How many new employees do you want to bring in? What does it look like to you? And it's hard when you're solo. So if you're the only one running the show, it's super hard. But this is what I would say to you. Bring your staff in on those planning meetings. They're invested in you. If you invest in them, they invest in you. And sometimes they're there to help you come up with the plan for the next year, marketing plan, business plan, you name it. So bring them in on it, and then determine if you're going to change your structure or not. Are you a sole prop and you want to go to a corporation or an LLC? Make those determinations at the end of the year before you go into the next year, so you can make sure you can do that and get taxes all in order and not have to be doing 2 separate tax entities for the next year. And then you want to obviously review your budget, prepare your next year's budget, do all of those things, get that in order. And then obviously look at your services. This is part of your business plan too. Look at those services. Are you going to add more? Are you going to keep what you've got? Do you need to update? What does that look like? How are you pivoting in the ever-changing world that we live in? How do you need to pivot? Have you been stuck in a rut? You need to find your way out. If you need to talk to people, there are people out there that you can reach out to talk about your business. So these are the things I want you to think about as you're kind of ending your year maybe and planning your next year. You want to think about these things to get yourself ready, get yourself motivated, right? Motivated to make the next fiscal year or calendar year amazing for your business, because you're already out there rocking it, so you might as well keep pushing hard. All right, well, thank you so much. I hope this checklist helped you, and if you have any questions about your business, don't hesitate to reach out. We are happy to help. Thank you.